Hello everyone, this is Kalpana working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology at the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department. Today we are going to discuss a topic on syntactic analysis, dependency grammar. Let's begin the session. In today's lecture, we are going to, we'll start with the recap session of the previous one. So it is nothing but our dependency grammar introduction. And then we'll see an example of dependency grammar and some important terminologies connected with dependency grammar, some of the applications of dependency grammar. Let's begin the session. So this is the recap of the previous session. We have discussed what is dependency grammar and some of the terminologies and in the purpose of dependency grammar. So we need dependency grammar. Why? Because sentence is a combination. Sentence is a combination of words. So we need to identify the main verb in the sentence, and then we have to see how this main word is connected with other sentence. Then only we can derive the sentence meaning clearly. Okay, that is the purpose of this dependency grammar. So in our NLP application, NLP tools should perform this, do this dependency grammar check for all the sentences. So this we have discussed already. Let's see, let's recap it. So this is an example. She ate an apple quickly. So first, as a first step, we need to identify the POS tag. We need to tokenize it, and then we need to identify the part of the speech tagging. And next is identifying the main verb and how it is connected with other words. So that is nothing but the head or governor word we say. Okay, and next is the dependency tagging. So we need to tag each word with dependency tag. POS tagging is separate and dependency tag is separate. Okay, so like this we will do. So this is the recap, and we'll see the example and the next important terminologies of the dependency grammar further. So this is the important terminologies of the dependency grammar. So first one is word tokens. Okay, so when I say tokens, it is nothing but words in the sentence. Okay, separate words in the sentence. So the text is divided into units called tokens, tokenization. So here we are just splitting the words in the sentence. So that is called token. So Kevin is a token, can is a token, hit is a token. So likewise we are going to there's a token. So likewise we are going to split the words into tokens. And then dependency relation. So this is very, very important. So for each and every word in the sentence, we are going to relate with the main, how the first word is connected with the second word, how the second is connected with third. So something like that, we have to see the dependency relations of each word in the sentence. Okay, next is the governor and the dependent. So this governor is nothing but the main verb or the root word in the sentence. So as I told you, this dependency grammar completely depending on based on what? Based on the main word, main verb or we can say the root word in the sentence. Okay, so we need to identify the root word. So that is nothing but the governor. We say here governor. And next is the dependent. So dependent means how the root word is connected with the first word, how it is connected with the third, and so on. Okay, so that is the dependent terminology. And next is the dependency label. So we need to label it. So once you identify she, ate, everything, then we need to map with the dependency label. She is an subject, apple is an object, Anne is a determiner. So something like that we have to map with the dependency labels. So these are all the four terminologies, important terminologies we use in dependency grammar. Next, this is an example. So here, Kevin can hit the baseball with a bat. Okay, Kevin can hit the baseball with a bat. So this is the sentence given. So we need to identify the dependency tags, or we can say we have to form the dependency grammar tree for this sentence. Okay. Just identify the main verb in this sentence. Kevin can hit the baseball with a bat. So which is the main word, or we say main verb in the sentence? Main verb is hit only. Hit. So the sentence, the entire sentence is depending on the hit verb, main word. So main verb. So I can say this hit as root. Okay. Hit as termed as root here. Okay. Next. Hit. Who hit it? You just question it. This is, you have identified hit is the root word or the main verb. Who hit it? Kevin hit it. Okay. Kevin hit it. So Kevin becomes the subject now. Okay. We say N subject. N is nothing but nominal. The first person. Nominal. Important. So N subject. Okay. Hit. What? What did he hit? He hit a baseball. He hit a baseball. He hit the baseball. So baseball becomes the object. Who hit it? Who hit it becomes the subject, and what becomes the baseball? What becomes the object? So baseball becomes what? Object. Here D object is written. So D is nothing but direct object. D is direct object. Next. The. So the is related with baseball. Here baseball is there. So the baseball. So the is mentioning the baseball only. So D, the is the determiner. It is related with the baseball. And can. Okay. Can hit. Okay. So can is related with hit. Okay. So then I can say it's an auxiliary verb. Can is an auxiliary verb. So it is related with what? Can is related with hit, as I told you. And next is, he hit a baseball. With what? With, hit a baseball with a bat. With. So hit is, with is related with what? Hit. Okay. So that becomes the preposition. P-R-E-P is nothing but preposition. And next is hit. Hit the baseball with a bat. Okay. Bat. Bat is connected with what? With bat. With bat. So it is an object. With what? Bat. So it is an object. Here P represents preposition object. And A, here A is indicating it is a determiner. It is related with the bat. Okay. So like this we need to draw the dependency grammar tree or whatever we call. So this is nothing but, these things are nothing but root, preposition, object, subject, auxiliary verb, determiner, end subject, everything we call it as what? We call it as dependency labels. Okay, dependency labels. Okay. So with this we'll end today's lecture. We'll see the next topic in next video. Thank you.